Greetings and welcome to our website. The Bitcoin market has seen a slight pullback and unfortunately has failed to sustain a position over $88,000. Consequently, it is presently oscillating between $86,000 and $87,000. Currently, there has been a modest recovery. However, no substantial change in the market suggests the forthcoming trajectory in the cryptocurrency sector. The sole notable discovery is that although the market is progressively approaching neutrality, apprehension persists. As Bitcoin nears $100,000, individuals will experience considerable elation. I assert that all cryptocurrencies will appreciate if a comparable event transpires. Nevertheless, it is premature to ascertain whether this would lead to a comprehensive market reversal. Bitcoin must persist in ascending above the value of $100,000 is expected to continue growing, necessitating vigilant observation of market dynamics. The weekly chart persists in illustrating XRP's lateral movement. This pattern has endured for over 3 months, encompassing December, January, February, and nearly the entirety of March. The trajectory has evidently been lateral for some time. Some say that this signifies the commencement of the distribution phase suggests that significant investors are divesting XRP for considerable gains. Some say that this phase is simply a period of consolidation before a substantial upward movement. XRP is currently positioned beneath the 50-day moving average on the daily chart. The sole favorable aspect is its position above the trend line, suggesting that conditions are rather stable until a major market event transpires or Bitcoin reinstates its ascending trajectory. XRP is likely to fluctuate between $2 and $2.50 at present. I maintain my conviction that Bitcoin will reach a valuation between $150,000 and $200,000 USD in current bull market. You can still achieve these objectives. The paramount inquiry is when this will transpire. I believe this rise is likely to transpire at the end of this annum. Traditionally, the summer months have experienced a decline in the cryptocurrency market. Since 2018, I have noted that June, July, and August are generally periods of leisure. As the year concludes, markets often ascend, rendering this an opportune moment to acquire cryptocurrency assets for future resale. The inclusion of XRP on Interactive Brokers' cryptocurrency trading platform is exhilarating. They have additionally incorporated Solana Dogecoin, include XRP and Cardano ADA in the list. The platform currently permits users to utilize Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. This is a prudent decision. Individuals utilizing Interactive Brokers in the US and the UK can now trade these new cryptocurrency assets on the same platform employed for trading equities, bonds, and other financial items. Individuals with accounts on Pax Trust are permitted to sell these assets. The assembly of the SEC today is a significant day. The court will be requested to terminate the case and revoke the injunction against Ripple. Nonetheless, historically, these private discussions have not exerted a substantial instant influence. There is no need for concern on this matter. Numerous individuals anticipate a swift resolution to Ripple's lawsuit, but as we deliberated yesterday, it could require an additional 59 days to attain a conclusive settlement. Currently, considering the substantial transformations Ripple and its coin have seen, it is noteworthy that Google Trends reveals a decline in demand for XRP. Before November 2024, when public interest in XRP was minimal, its value surged by 500–600%. Should history recur, we may observe another substantial escalation. If the price of XRP were to rise by 600% from its present level at approximately $20, we may still attain a new all-time high if this does not transpire. But it is challenging to calculate the precise cost. Several things may affect XRP's price trend. XRP might be acknowledged as a bridge currency, or BlackRock may submit an application for an ETF. In any case, its price may exceed $20. Nonetheless, it is imperative to proceed with caution and realize profits when appropriate. The bull market will ultimately conclude, and we must be ready for market downturn. Long-term users who have possessed XRP for a decade or more should not worry. Regrettably, same to Bitcoin's initial phase. Acquiring XRP at its current lower price is anticipated to yield returns. Historically, acquiring Bitcoin at whatever price has consistently yielded long-term financial benefits. I also addressed this topic in our Telegram group. We possess instantaneous access to news. BRICS is contemplating an innovative approach to cross-border monetary transactions. XRP testing has previously progressed seamlessly within the BRICS states, suggesting it may soon establish itself as a worldwide standard. A notable alteration is that Ripple is now permitted to officially sell XRP to institutional investors. It remains ambiguous whether prior to the SEC case, Ripple was already engaging in this practice. Nonetheless, I contend that the corporation is currently doing so. This constitutes a favorable development, as it allows Ripple to generate profit by selling XRP at a higher than its prior. Furthermore, officials from the South Korean government have revealed their cryptocurrency holdings. A city council member asserted possession of approximately $1 million in XRP. Republic of Korea government officials possess almost $9 million in cryptocurrencies. South Korea has significantly benefited XRP. Brad Garlinghouse proposed that South Korea and Japan could serve as appropriate sites for Ripple's offices amid its challenges with the SEC, as both countries exhibit robust support for XRP. The MECD indicator has exhibited a golden cross in relation to the price swings. XRP, this trend may be detrimental. This type of signal is most effective when an item's price is low or it has not yet exhibited significant growth potential. The recent surge in XRP's price renders the implications of this golden cross ambiguous. All technical indicators imply a possible rebound. Due to the unpredictable nature of signals, it is imperative to use caution. I am currently anticipating volatility fluctuations of between 30% to 50% before executing any substantial trading choices. Recent fluctuations of 5 to 10% in XRP are inadequate to indicate a definitive market trend. The weekly and daily charts